One of the great things about living in Cleveland is having access to world-class museums right at your doorstep. But occasionally you get the oxymoronic craving to remove the living humans from the humanities. And geographically speaking, those major museums are all located downtown in the urban hub where thousands of people are coming and going every day. And even extroverts like myself tend to flinch occasionally and say, nah, I'm just not feeling it. But Greater Cleveland has you covered there as well, because just a short drive out of town is Oberlin College. And smack dab in the middle of the campus is a wonderfully curated art museum containing a collection of pieces from different cultures and times and styles. It's open 6 days a week, free to the public. So why don't we go in and have a look? I'll show you the highlights. I'm joined today by my daughter Quinlan. Now, ever the teacher, I will probably be asking her questions. If she doesn't know the answers and you do, please jot them down in the comments. I love to hear from people with similar interests. Hi, Quinn. This mirror depicts the Judgment of Paris. Mm-hmm. Now, Paris was a prince of what city?
He was the... Fuck.
I have to beep out my teenager, thank you. Okay, she doesn't know. Do you know who that's supposed to be?
Jesus.
Excellent.
Everyone knows that.
Well, not everyone. Who's this?
Cleopatra.
Excellent, excellent. A+. I'm going to tell you this is John the Baptist also because quite often in depictions, if you don't have the placard next to it to tell you if the man is holding a lamb or a sheep, there's a good chance it's John the Baptist because that's supposed to represent Jesus.
Yeah.
That's the lamb. What about this one? You know who that is, right?
Saint Michael combating the devil.
Well, that's because you're reading the placard. And I disagree with Saint because it's the Archangel Michael fighting Lucifer. It's not that.
And sorry,
It's all right. Little hidden trippings and trappings. He's staring into your soul.
I was gonna say that.
It's quite astonishing when you think just how long Kenneth Branagh has been acting. These are really cool. They utilized the 3D printing for those of us that see these ancient things and want to touch them. So they went ahead and mapped them. Obviously these are plastic, but it's really cool that you can go ahead and touch. I'll go ahead and take this guy over here so for comparison for folks. Yeah, pretty cool.
In the film.
Yeah, pretty cool. Cool idea. Picasso. Right, this is the flight into Egypt. Whom are they referencing?
I don't know.
It's all right.
Definitely like Chinese or Japanese or something.
When in doubt, just say Asian.
Right.
And look, right here, baby. There's a map. And that is Japan.
Japan. Right.
Geography needs a little work. I'm always a fan of the chiaroscuro, the Italian heavy, dark usage. Chiaroscuro. I'm not going to ask Quin if she knows that because she's not going to know chiaroscuro, but now you do. You know, not huge. Obviously, I didn't show you all of it, just wanted to give you a taste. I'd like you to come here for yourself. This is the Allen Memorial Art Museum in Oberlin, Ohio. And, you know, sometimes that's all you need is a little Snicker snack, not the whole candy bar. Just an hour out of your day to get out of the clustered mess that is your thoughts. And remember that the world was, is, and still will be bigger than you and all your troubles. So just enjoy the ride.